We're back here with the 2016 Caravan injector, not firing, cylinder number 5. As you can see, I've removed the intake. It's in up here. It's just held on by the bolts. You can see right here. You can see the hidden ones, and then it has a bracket. It goes onto the back right here. Release the 210s there. And then this 13mm bolt goes onto the side that holds on the bracket to release the bracket, which goes on right here. Just left that dangling there because you also have 2 studs in the front. They go onto these 2 brackets up front here. So, you know, it's kind of difficult to get to the bolts down there. So you're better off removing this bracket and then sliding the intake backwards and pulling it out to get it up. Now, to verify that we don't have an electrical issue here with the injector, because these Caravans are known for that, especially the older ones. But let's just make sure here. We did a video earlier with the quick scope. You know, it's not firing there, and now we're gonna attempt to fire it this way. And if we get the noise light to turn on, this is the noise light. Basically just the light bulb. This is the kit, noise light kit, and we get it to come on, then we know for sure that it's the injectors. So let's get somebody here to help me fire this up. Alright, so we're gonna fire it now, and injectors spraying atomizing fuel, and 1, 3, 5 isn't doing anything. So there we go. Got the noise light working.